Different ways to say it's raining. It's pouring down. Bring an umbrella for protection. It's raining cats and dogs. See water rushing in gutters. It's bucketing it down. Close the window because wind blew rain in. It's persisting rain. Walking becomes challenging due to accumulated water. It's showering. Putting up hood during short walk. It's prickling. Feel tiny drops on skin while staying mostly dry. It's dripping. Notice watermarks forming above door frame. It's dampening. Clothes feel clammy in high humidity. It's mizzling. Running errands requires checking visibility frequently. It's precipitating. Describing phenomena scientifically and social gatherings.